everyone! Today I am inside Vion West and I'm currently here on the 15th floor and I'm going to show you this corner 2-bedroom unit at 58 square meters. So upon entering, we have here the digital door lock set. So this one, ang maganda dito is may fingerprint na siya, then meron na rin siyang pin, pwedeng may password, and pwede rin using your keys. And then we also have here this video and audio intercom. This one is actually connected to the lobby. So if you have expected guests or visitors, pwede mo sila makita dyan. And our lights also over here are smart switches. There you go. Okay, so dito we have the living area and also the dining area. So what's really nice about this unit is this is the only unit here in Vion West na corner na tatlo ang unobstructed views. So we have here facing the Makati City skyline. So meron din ditong balcony. So you can put a coffee table over here, chair over here, tapos maganda yung view mo kasi unobstructed siya. Ayan. And then, ang maganda dito is, since it's a corner unit, maganda rin yung window niya. It's almost floor to ceiling height. So, yung pasok ng natural sunlight is maaliwalas. May provision din dito for window type aircon. So, you can put aircon over here. And then, dito, you can put sofa, or pwede dito sofa, tapos TV, diba? Tapos dito, merong dining area. Pwede nyo lagyan dito ng bar stools. Pwede ka umupo dito. Tapos, yan. Pwede mong gamitin counter bar. And then, what's really nice about the kitchen is that this is an L-type kitchen. So, what I really like about this is that kitang-kita mo yung view coming from here. So, nagluluto ka, naghuhugas ka ng pinggan. Makati City skyline ang view mo. And then, meron tayong mga overhead cabinets, provision for the range hood. And then, we also have provision for the countertop. And then, dito, lalagay mo yung laundry area mo. May provision for the water line and electricity. And then, dito naman, provision for the refrigerator. Okay, so over here, we have the toilet and bath. So, meron din siyang sariling maliit na window. Ayan. And then we have the half-glass partition, the shower, and then itong toilet bowl natin, and then this sink and faucet, countertop, and then the mirror. Okay, so going out, sa katabi niya, meron ditong junior bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. Ang maganda dito is that it also has its own almost floor-to-ceiling height window facing Pasay City. And then provision for the window type aircon. And of course, this modular cabinet. Okay, so pwede kang maglagay dito ng bed mo, yan. Tapos pwede kang maglagay ng mga extra storage cabinets kasi mataas yung ceiling height niya. So dito naman, this is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has bigger windows. It's also facing an unobstructed view of the skyway. Then dito, international airport na dyan. Tapos BGC over there. We also have the provision naman for the window type aircon as well. And of course, this modular cabinets. So dito, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng parang walk-in closet. So depende sa inyo kasi malaki naman siya. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng bed. Then dito, meron kayong office tables and chairs. Ayan. So there you go, guys. If you want to know more details about the specific unit type or other unit types that we have, you can contact me through my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. This is me again, Alex. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video.